Hi, my name is Derek. I teach grade 9 through 12 math, French, and science. I come from a place where, you know, math and some sciences, they weren't exactly my forte. So I can relate to that and I can understand that, some topics are scarier than others. And I think it's important as a teacher for me to guide students through that anxiety and through that fear to a point where they can look at a problem and feel confident saying, hey, I can do this. I can 100% do this. My philosophy is that it's important to have an idea as to a pathway that you want to follow. If you start following that path and there's things that happen, there's blocks, there's other routes, like that's okay. It's okay to be open to change. It's good to have a pathway and it's good to have passions and it's good to do some exploration and all that good stuff. But at the same time, I think it's equally as important to just be a little bit more go with the flow and just see where the life path takes you. One of my favorite things that I quickly realized about teaching like high school is it's so fun to just get to know everyone. It's fun to get to know like you and students and everybody. It's the best thing. And just building those relationships, it just sets a really nice stage for jumping into learning. And again, that definitely helps with the learning process, right? When you have these kind of more anxiety inducing subjects, it really feels like when you're able to build those relationships with your students, it makes the world of difference when they're in the classroom. If you're working on a problem and you're not sure how to get by it, and this doesn't just apply to like math, like this can be science, this can be French language, where if you're struggling, I don't want to just give you an answer, right? I want us to think about it. I want us to have that kind of like genuine conversation about what it is we're working on. If we just want an answer, there's all the answers are on the internet, right? But being able to just have those connections and those genuine conversations about problems, I think in the long run too, it just builds a stronger foundation for learning.